What's up, Mr. Keller?
Sir, I'm sorry, but that's a dress code violation. You're gonna have to give me that hat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, class. Today we're going to be starting the idea of a reaction. In chemistry, a reaction happens when two or more molecules interact and something happens. That's it. What molecules are they? How do they interact? And what happened? Sir. Give me your phone. We're teaching right now. We're not doing that. Alright, class. I'm sorry. Those are all possibilities of reactions. The possibilities are infinite. There are a few key points you should know about chemical reactions. Can anyone tell me any of these key points? Go ahead, sir.
Chemical change must occur. You start with one compound and turn it into another. That's the definition of a chemical change.
Wow, good job, son. You're on track today. That was going to be my first key point. Can you give me an example?
Well, what about like a steel garbage can that is rusting? Wouldn't that be an example of a chemical reaction? The rusting happens because of the iron and metal combines with oxygen in the atmosphere.
I'm impressed. Great example. There's more to it, however. Let me explain. A chemical reaction could include ions, molecules, or pure atoms. We said molecules previously, but a reaction can occur with anything, just as long as a chemical change occurs, not a physical change. If you put one hydrogen gas and pure oxygen gas in a room, they can be involved in a reaction. The slow rate of reaction will have the atoms boarding to form water very slowly. If you went to add a spark, those gases would create a reaction that would result in a huge explosion. Chemists would call that a spark of catalyst. Give me another key point.
Well, you taught us that single reactions often happen as part of a larger series of reactions. So isn't that a key point?
Exactly. I'll give you an example. Take something as simple as moving your arm. The contraction of that muscle requires sugars for energy. Those sugars need to be metabolized. You'll find that proteins need to move in a certain way to make the muscle contract. A whole series, hundreds actually, of different reactions are needed to make that simple movement happen. Does that make sense to you?
I think I get it. You're the best teacher ever.
You know what? Great job today. I'm not going to turn this into the office. You can go ahead and have both your items back.
Thank you.
Just you need to put these away for next class.
Yes, sir.